Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about how to install Jelastic platform as a service on DigitalOcean Droplets. Jelastic platform as a service is a cloud computing platform that provides a scalable and reliable environment for deploying and managing web applications. It supports a variety of programming languages and frameworks including Java, Python, PHP, Ruby and Node.js. DigitalOcean is a cloud computing provider that offers a variety of virtual machines and other cloud service. Jelastic P platform as a service can be installed on DigitalOcean Droplets, which are VMS that are optimized for performance and scalability. This video will show you how to install Jelastic platform as a service on DigitalOcean Droplets. Prerequisites to install Jelastic platform as a service on DigitalOcean Droplets: you will need a DigitalOcean account, a SSH client, a Jelastic platform as a service license. Steps to install Jelastic platform as a service on DigitalOcean Droplets. Follow these steps. Go to the DigitalOcean marketplace and click on the Jelastic platform as a service. Click app. Click on the create droplet button. Select a droplet size and region. Click on create droplet button. Once the droplet has been created, copy its IP address. Connect to the droplet using a SSH client. Run the following command to install Jelastic platform as a service: sudo bash. Following the on-screen instruction to complete installation. Once the installation is complete, you will be able to access the Jelastic platform as a service web interface at following URL. You can use the Jelastic platform as a service web interface, deploy, manage and web application. Here are some additional tips for installing and using Jelastic platform as a service on DigitalOcean Droplets. Make sure to choose a droplet size that is large enough to meet the needs of your web application.